So we're not gonna be downloading Coinbase it itself. We're just gonna be adding Coinbase wallet. So if you do not know, Coinbase wallet is a place where guys can store crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more other crypto. Whereas Coinbase in it itself, it's a place where you guys can trade crypto, store crypto, and do many more stuff related with crypto. Wallet can only store crypto, whereas Coinbase can store crypto, buy crypto, transfer crypto, as well as stake crypto, and do many more stuff related with that. Alright. So let me show you guys how you guys can add Coinbase wallet to your extension by downloading it. Search for Coinbase for PC. After you search for Coinbase for PC, you want to click on Coinbase wallet over here. It's going to take you to the official website of Coinbase. Over here, you want to click on download wallet. After you click on download wallet, it's going to bring you to this website. Over here, you want to click on add to Chrome. Once you click on add to Chrome, you want to click on add extension. And your Coinbase extension wallet is going to download, so you need to wait for some time. As you guys can see, it's downloading over here. After it finishes downloading, it's going to automatically add itself on the extension just like this. Once it's added, it's going to open up. Now if you already have a wallet, you can click on import an existing wallet. But if you want to create a new Coinbase wallet, you can click on the above option where it says create new wallet and create yourself a new Coinbase wallet. Alright.